Welcome. In this video, we'll walk through how to enable auto download for videos on WhatsApp step by step. If your videos aren't downloading automatically and you have to tap each one to play, this guide will fix that for you quickly. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top right corner. You'll see three small dots stacked vertically. That's the menu button. Tap on it, and from the drop-down options, select Settings. Inside your settings menu, scroll down until you find an option called Storage and Data. Tap on it to open all your download preferences. This is where WhatsApp lets you control how and when different types of media files, like photos, audio, and videos, get downloaded. Now you'll see two main categories, one labeled when using mobile data and another labeled when connected on Wi-Fi. Let's adjust both of these to make sure videos download automatically no matter what connection you're on. Start by tapping on when using mobile data. A list will appear showing different media types you can allow for auto download. Check the box next to videos, then tap OK to save it. Next, go back and do the same for when connected on Wi-Fi. Tap on it, check the box for videos, and press OK again. This ensures that whenever you're connected to Wi-Fi, WhatsApp will automatically download incoming videos, saving you from having to do it manually each time. That's all it takes. Your videos will now download automatically based on your chosen settings. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make your chats smoother and save you time, especially if you receive a lot of media from friends, family, or group chats. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick WhatsApp tips and updates. Thanks for watching.